So today I'm going to be showing us how to set and update your billing rate from the Wicrypt web app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your dashboard.wicrypt.com using your Wicrypt account details. So I'm going to log in. When you've logged in, you head on to devices. You see a list of devices that you have on your profile. Then you proceed to edit or set or update the billing rate for each of the device. If it is one device, you can set for that particular device or update for that particular device. Or if you have multiple devices, you select whichever device you want to update or change the billing rate. So what you do is that you click on this icon, right? Then you click on set rate. So in this case, I can change this billing rate to 15 naira so per gig. So depending, I can change it to 500 naira or anywhere I want. Then I click on continue. So my billing rate gets updated and you can see 500 naira. So when people want to log in to your network, it's when you create a voucher for them or they pay using the router login, so 500 naira per gig will be deducted from their personal wallet into your own business wallet. So that is how to set your billing rate on the Wicrypt network.